Hi, welcome back. So now I'm going to show you how you can use Screencastify to record your screen. So in this browser, I'm using Google Chrome. So on Google Chrome, I'm going to bring it down a little bit about this. Let me show you my icon here. So this is my icon. My extension, Google Chrome extension that I have installed, where I have installed Screencastify. Here you can use different mode of screencasting. You can use browser tab, meaning it will just record a tab on your browser. And then you can record your desktop. Either you can record the entire screen with everything in, or you can record by application as you have seen in my videos. Or you can also just do a webcam only, where if you want to do just to have your face on recorded on the screen. Yeah. So I normally use just a browser tab or a desktop. All right. After you have chosen one, you can then move on. So here I've chosen browser tab because I'm going to record the web browser. Then I'm going to check onto the microphone, which is I'm using an external microphone. I'll show you in a bit what I'm using. And then you can have an embed webcam, whereby if you select a FaceTime camera, you would see at the bottom some webcam will be appearing. So I'm going to switch it off because I'm not going to use a webcam at all for the time being. Yeah. And then what you can do next is simply press the record button. Okay. So at the behind here, you can see, before I press the record button, you can see all my recordings in here that I've done earlier with Screencastify. Okay, so let's then press the record button. And at the moment, I am using Screencast-O-Matic to record my screen. So this is the first time that I'm using two Screencast apps. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to record a second. I'm going to record my screen using a second app, which is Screencastify. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so hopefully now it is recording my screen here. Okay, so I have both on actually. All right, you can see that Screencastify is currently is on. If I click on this, it takes a while. You can see that I am recording now, going into the 20th seconds. All right, and then I can just record my tab. So I'm going to go on to the screen is being recorded now. I'm going to move on to sharing with you what I use for this. So I have to change. When I have to change a tab, I need to change back and click record this tab. Okay, so now it is recording this particular tab on the web browser. What I'm using to record my videos for microlearning is simply the hands-free microphone, yeah, that comes with the comes with the iPhone. So this is my screenshot, yeah, of me. So I need to actually now change again my record this tab. So this is actually me with the particular microphone. So now I'm going to go back to the next step. So Screencastify will actually inform me about this. So record the step. Let me show you a few more options that you can, if you're thinking of going professional, towards the professional mode, yeah, professional level, then you can think of studio quality microphone, which is this is a Blue Yeti, if you want to think of it, and Blue Yeti with a particular pop filter. You can think of also this simple microphone. I think you can buy one. This is a USB connected. can also connect to a simple audio jack as well. So this simple microphone can cost you from about 70 ringgit up to about 300, 400 ringgit, depending on the quality. But honestly, for micro-credential course, you can go create a course by using the hands-free earphone that comes with the iPhone or your mobile phone. Yeah. So that's it. I think I'm gonna then, once you are happy with this video, you can then click on the Screencastify video and then press stop if you want to finish with the video, or you can press pause if you want to pause on. Yeah. I'm going to actually stop the video, and what I'm going to do next is to show you how you can upload the Screencastify video very quickly onto your YouTube. If you already have a Gmail account, you also have a YouTube account, you can directly link them together and then straight away upload your video. So I'm going to press stop in here. You can also press, if you are not unsure about the video, you can also restart. But I'm happy with this video, I'm going to just press stop. But what happens is that this will come. Can you hear that? Yeah, can you hear that? I'm going to stop here. Yeah, because I actually am recording this particular video. And what happens is that is here, since I'm using a free version, you can see that they have the logo embedded in the video. You can do a lot of things here with the free software. You can do a lot of things in here. But I would definitely recommend, if you're really thinking of putting a fee on your micro-credential course, that you would probably invest on going premium with Screencastify, so that you can actually download the video. So if you want to edit your video, you want to trim your video, or download it as an MP4 or animated GIF, then you can you need to go premium. Yeah, but for the time being, for the sake of showing you on this free micro-credential course, you can simply just go on a free version, and you can see that the details here is about 3 minutes of video. That's about 1070. This is quite a good high definition video when it was recorded and how big it is. Yeah, it is straight away. You can view it on your Google Drive. So it's straight to Google Drive, or you can then click on share and click on YouTube. Here is done automatically on mine, and then make sure that you choose the option unlisted. If you go public, then everyone can see it. If you go private, no one can see it if you put it on your course. So you need to go, you need to list your, you need to put your video as unlisted on YouTube, and then click upload. All right. So now let's go to my channel. I have here my channel. I'm going to refresh it. Yeah. So can you see that this already being uploaded? Is about 95% processed. So we can perhaps just wait for a few minutes. So now we're back on. So you can see that after just a few seconds, less than 20 seconds, now I'm back onto my video that has been uploaded to YouTube from the Screencastify apps. So then here you can choose a few thumbnails. Yeah, I'm going to choose the first one and see what happens. Yeah, because that's the particular device, particular equipment that I use for recording. And then what I do is, normally I just change that to that's video 5, I think, for microcred, and this is the Screencast T5 and the microphone used option. So double check you can enter the description if you want to. also enter a tag if you want to be discovered. You can choose, you can make sure that it's unlisted. Yeah, if you have a playlist, you can add to your playlist. Yeah, and then that's about it. You just need to choose the thumbnail. If you you couldn't find something that you really like, you can go for custom thumbnail. You can upload your own images if you want to, and then I'll just click save. Yeah. So once it says the changes have been saved, just go back to there. Your titles have been changed as well. Yeah. Okay, then that's done. You've already got your link, and that's about it. That's a video, that's a screencast on the Screencastify and also the options that you have to record your video. And the one that I'm using now is a simple headphone from the iPhone that comes free with the iPhone. Yeah, so thank you very much for your attention, and then we'll go back to the just a quick overview on how you can set up the course. Once you already have, like here, I already have my video 1 up to video 5, so I'm pretty happy with it. And this is the recording now is video 6. So I have about 6 videos for about half an hour course, and this course is free. So just stay on for a few more videos, maybe a couple more videos on how to set up a course on Open Learning, a course on micro-credential. So see you in the next video.